And the race is on. Karma, Glamorous, Bideral, Big Bone, Tukmo, Kampay, and Don Alejandro is the early trailer by about 6 or 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Glamorous by some 2 lengths. Big Bone from the outside, Karma, Donori inside. Kampay is racing in forward by some 2 lengths. Tukmo and Don Alejandro. Rounding the far turn, Glamorous by some 3 lengths. Big Bone, Kampay, and moving up from the outside and running by the rail is Karma as they race the final corner. Glamorous by some 2 lengths. Big Bone, Kampay on the further outside. Karma, Don Alejandro, and Tukmo, but still Glamorous and Kampay is on the outside. Glamorous, Kampay, but still Glamorous, and finally Glamorous, Kampay, Big Bone, Karma, Don Alejandro, and Tukmo comes last.
Alright, malinaw naman.